In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed calendars or booking links inside proposals, making it easier for your clients to schedule appointments with you directly from the proposal. If you're looking to streamline the booking process and save time, keep watching until the end. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to choose a calendar or booking platform. There are many options out there, but we'll be using software that allows for seamless integration with proposals, making this process much easier. You can find the link to a free trial of our software in the description below, exclusive to viewers of this channel, so you can follow along if you want to try it yourself. Once you've signed up and logged into the software, it's time to generate a booking link. The software will provide you with a unique URL for your booking page, which you can set up based on your availability. If you've already created a calendar with your preferred time slots, this step should be quick. Copy that link because you'll need it for your proposal. Now the next step is to go into the proposal document where you want to embed the booking link. Whether you're using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or any other proposal software, you should have the option to add hyperlinks or embed links within your text. Go ahead and paste the booking URL where you want it to appear. For a clean, professional look, I recommend embedding the link as text like "book your appointment here," or something that fits naturally within your proposal. If you're using more advanced proposal software, there might be direct integrations available. These platforms allow you to embed your booking link with just a couple of clicks. Simply look for the insert or embed options in your proposal software and select the calendar or booking tool you've set up. You'll be able to add a button or calendar view directly inside your proposal, so your client doesn't even need to leave the document to book a time with you. But what if you want to go one step further and allow clients to select their appointment times directly within the proposal? That's possible too. Some booking software offers an embed code or iframe option that you can insert into your proposal. Just copy the embed code provided by your booking platform and paste it into the HTML section of your proposal tool. This will display your calendar right inside the proposal, and clients can choose their time without leaving the page. It's a very professional way to make sure that clients can schedule with you without additional steps. Now, here's a key takeaway. Embedding calendars or booking links inside proposals is all about convenience. It cuts out the back and forth emails and saves you both time. Make sure to choose a booking software that integrates smoothly with your proposal platform. And remember, you can get an exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video through the link in the description below. This is only available for my viewers, so don't miss out on that. To quickly recap the main points, first, get your booking link from the software you choose. Then, paste it into your proposal using text or an embedded button. For a seamless experience, use software that supports direct embedding of your calendar or a booking button. And remember, the ultimate goal is to make the scheduling process easy for your clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below.